What is value stream mapping in Lean Six Sigma? Lean Six Sigma has created the urge to improve products and services according to the demands of the market. Creating a value of your products and services is very important, and your entire plan should revolve around satisfying the customers. Value stream mapping is the tool used to analyze such trends and then planning according to the trends. Let's begin with understanding what it really is. What is value stream mapping? The sequence of activities required to create and deliver any products or services to a customer is known as value stream mapping. The flowchart is based upon two key factors: information and material. Most of such streams are highly cross-functional. The process of fulfilling a customer's request flows through many work teams within the organization before the delivery. Value stream mapping is the flow of processes that starts from a customer's request and ends at the delivery point. Hence, it is known as request to delivery cycle. Examples of value stream mapping. Here are a couple of examples that will help you understand why value stream mapping is important in Lean Six Sigma. A customer service executive receiving an order. The software engineer performing a valid test. A police officer issuing a fine on violation of a rule. A vehicle owner filing a complaint about the product purchased. Quote to cash, procure to pay and record to report process. A bank official finds fault on an issued check. A patient getting admitted to a hospital. A nurse administering the medications of a patient. A manager studying the request of a customer and providing the proposal. Manufacturer producing a product according to the number of processes. Benefits of value stream mapping. Why do you create a value stream map? The most important reason is to visualize data and analyze it to separate the value-adding factors from the non-value-adding ones. Here are a few more reasons that will prove using value stream mapping can help improve your business process. Eliminates waste. Value stream mapping concentrates on reducing the actions that hold no value in your work process. Eliminating such a waste can help with increasing productivity. Increase efficiency. Value stream mapping calculates the time being spent on each activity and ensures to get rid of the unnecessary actions. This will help you in spending more time on the actions that are important, hence increasing the efficiency. Aligns cross-functional collaborations. Value stream mapping aligns all the departments together on a common goal. It depicts the present and future trends of your company further, ensuring that all the departments identify and stay on the same target. Value stream mapping in Lean Six Sigma offers information flow that can be determined on the basis of value-added or non-value-added actions. It will help you make your work process more efficient by saving time and will also help you in increasing the productivity. Value stream mapping is an integral part of the workflow system, as it ensures that everyone working on the project are well connected and have the same goals for the organization. Prepare a value stream map and watch how it makes your life easier. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Mindcypress for more videos.